truck that just pretty much just a work truck, and you know, they can check the oil and stuff. You know, just having a chainsaw and stuff, it's pretty strong. I mean, a lot of people are scared to grab that chainsaw like that. Everybody wants to wave at farmer guys and stuff. It's really just kind of part of being a farmer and stuff. And you know, I don't blame them. I mean, we're hard workers. Not really the life that I dreamed of. You know, some people work with gloves, and some people, they just work with their bare hands. Not a lot of people can just fix chainsaws and everything, but you know, we're all here for a reason. I mean, I just picked that out with my bare hands. Didn't use any gloves, nothing like that. Thank God for free land. I mean, a lot of people might have taken that chainsaw to the shop to get fixed. And you know, I don't blame them. You know, I don't blame a lot of people. Why would I do that? Fixed it. It's all part of being on the farm.